The Axial smoked LED side markers will appeal to all 2015 and newer Challenger owners out there who are looking to help complete that smoke look with their ride and want to add some very bright LED lighting in the process. Now the Axials will be sold in sets of 4, 2 fronts and 2 rears, all for right around the $100 price point. So first things first, guys, I do want to say that if you're just simply looking to smoke the marker lights on your Challenger, you can certainly save a bunch of money and just go with the traditional vinyl tint instead. In fact, you can tint every exterior light on your ride using the Sec 10 kit here on the site for roughly half the price of the Axials we're talking about here today. Now on the other hand, if you really dig that smoke look and you would like to also add some brightness through a modern LED, along with that unique light pattern, well then the Axials might just be for you. Now let's talk a little bit more about that unique pattern, because unlike the factory side markers that utilize a single dull incandescent bulb, the Axials are going to utilize more of a high intensity LED strip that will illuminate the length of the marker itself. Now compare that to the factory housing, especially one that's been covered with some smoked vinyl, and you're getting that one lone bright spot or hot spot in the middle, while the rest of the marker is just kind of dead, for lack of a better word. Now those LEDs are going to be housed in the ABS plastic base while being topped off with that smoked polycarbonate lens. And these guys will be a direct replacement for your factory marker lights, meaning there will be no modification needed, no crazy wiring, anything like that. These things are completely plug and play. So because of that, the site's gonna call this a pretty soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter here, guys. Maybe 20 minutes of your time to complete from start to finish. Now, as far as your tools are concerned, well, there will be a screwdriver or 2 needed, along with a panel removal tool, flashlight, and even a rag just to wipe everything down when you're all set. Now, speaking of that install, we actually have an AM Challenger customer to walk you through the job right now, so feel free to check that out.
Hi, I'm Chris. This is my 2019 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 1320, and today I'm getting rid of these old side marker reflectors and replacing them with LEDs. It's going to look really great. In order to access this area behind your side marker light, you're going to need to be able to take either your Challenger factory air box, or in this case, a cold air intake that I installed myself. Set that aside. And now I can go through the bottom of my air box and reach the front one. And then all you have to do is pull back on this red clip. It's a little stiff. And then work the plug off while being cognizant of not pulling that wire out of the weld. And that's it. Set this aside. If you ever need it again, you'll have it available to you. Now, to install the better Axiom light, all we have to do is repeat the steps. Find the housing in the back, and then it snaps in place. Pull your film off, give it a little polish, and the front side marker is ready to go. For the rear marker lights, all I'm going to have to do is go up under the vehicle, and as the picture indicated below, you just snap this one out. If you have trouble getting into the wheel well, you can also raise the vehicle slightly on a jack. Replace it with the Axiom light. After the left side's done, work your way over to the right. The right side's going to be a whole lot easier, especially that front right side marker, simply because you don't have to remove that air intake. Same thing for the rear. After that, close your hood up, then turn on your lights and enjoy.
So again, if you are looking to smoke the marker lights on your 2015 and newer Challenger while adding some modern and bright LEDs at the same time, then you'll definitely want to check out the Axial kit right here at AmericanMuscle.com.